Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to do a feel-good story. Many times, especially coming out of the Caribbean, we hear like a lot of negative news, negative stories that's coming out of the Caribbean. But for this channel, I want to focus on the beauty of the Caribbean and some feel-good stuff. So today's feel-good story is coming out of the Caribbean diaspora, in particular Toronto, Canada. And this story is about an 87-year-old Jamaican woman in Canada becoming the oldest person in Canada to receive a university degree. So that is what I'm going to be reacting to. So feel good. You know, like Barry Salmons, feel good, I feel good. You know that song, right? So let's watch this video together. Feel good story of today. 87-year-old Jamaican-born woman living in Canada becoming the oldest person in Canada to receive a university degree. Let's watch it.
Really am full of gratitude for the opportunity to walk the academic route.
At 87 years old, Hortense Anglin can say she is one of York University's oldest graduates to receive her honors bachelor's in religious studies, her first ever honors degree.
I've always had an insatiable thirst for knowledge. I want to know, and I want to understand why human beings, people, do things.
She never got the chance to pursue post-secondary when she was younger, but became inspired by her granddaughter and younger sister, then 79 years old, who had both graduated from York in 2018. It was then she found out getting her degree was more accessible than she thought.
York was having a 13-week program that they call a bridging program, which would allow women at whatever educational stage they are to do this bridging program.
But she did have to face one major learning curve during the pandemic years, learning online.
And you know that was not my strong suit. But again, when you have a goal and this, what looks like a barrier, because when I thought, Zoom, what in heaven's name is Zoom?
Despite the learning curve, she was able to achieve her end goal of an honors bachelor.
A special congratulations to 87-year-old Hortense.
As for what's next for Hortense,
I'm doing my piano, but I still wander downstairs and see what's available and how I can do it if I plan to do it.
So her advice to anyone wanting to pursue a passion later on in life:
whatever barriers you feel when you first look at a goal or you first look at something you want to do, immediately something, oh no, I think I may be a little bit too old for that. It's okay. That's what comes up first. Walk around it.
Jaden Lee Lincoln, Global News.
Hey guys, so that's the feel-good story of the day. And I know growing up in Jamaica, like I used to hear from a little child, like I used to hear like, oh, you're never too old to learn and stuff like that. And this proves that, you know, if there's something that you're never able to accomplish when you're younger and you're up in age now, that you still can accomplish it. So guys, just sound off in the comment section. Let me know if there's anything that you wish you had the opportunity to do as like a young person, as a child, but you weren't able to do it, and you're like, man, I wish I could do this now. It could be anything like swimming, you know, like I know, like sometimes myself, like I joke around and say like, if you're over 20, like don't even think about going to learn to swim again. Like you're too old to learn to swim and stuff like that. So if it's even something like swimming, something like, you know, typing or whatever it is that you did not have the opportunity when you were younger, and you're like, man, like I'm in my 40s, I'm in my 50s, 60s, but I want to do this now. Sound off in the comment section and let me know what you think. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.